I have decided to follow Yeshua. I have decided to follow Yeshua. I have decided to follow Yeshua. No turning back. Me not turn back. Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. And right now, we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor. Click the like button, leave a comment, make we know say you did it, and share this video with as many people as you can. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, please just click the subscribe button now. It not go cost you nothing. And the notification bell too, because that way you will get notified every time a new video is released on this channel. And that would be 5 o'clock Jamaica time on YouTube every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from Luke chapter 9 from verse 23 to verse 27. Then Jesus said to all of them, say, if somebody want to turn one of me follower them have to forget about what them want. Take up them cross every day and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life, sake of me, them I go get to save them life. What good it I go do somebody if they get the whole world, but then lose them life? If anybody shame of me, and when me teach, when the man where God pick come, him I go shame at them too. When he come, him light I go shine around him. And the light will shine around the Father and the Holy Angel them. I go shine around him too. Me I tell you this, and I true me a talk. Some of uno will turn up yasso. Now go dead before the time come when uno see God a rule. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.